Hello, today we're reviewing this cute little drone.
I've always wanted to get into drone photography, but it seems so complicated. I finally decided to jump in with the Potensic ATOM, specifically the Fly More combo, and I am just blown away by how easy and powerful it is. First off, one of the best things is that it's under 249 grams, which means you don't have to deal with any FAA or remote ID registration. It comes in this great little carrying case and is so easy to take anywhere. Getting it in the air was surprisingly simple for a beginner. The controls are intuitive, and the connection is incredibly stable, with a transmission range of up to 6 kilometers. But the real star is the footage. The 4K video from the Sony sensor is gorgeous, and the 3-axis gimbal is fantastic. I've flown it on breezy days, and my video comes out incredibly smooth and stable. My favorite part, though, has to be the intelligent features. It has quick shots like circle and rocket that let you create these amazing cinematic shots automatically. The Fly More combos is definitely the way to go. You get 3 batteries for over 90 minutes of flight time, and the parallel charging hub fast charges all 3 at once in about an hour and a half, which is a huge convenience. The auto return to home feature always gets your drone home. So if you're a beginner who wants professional looking results without a steep learning curve, I highly recommend this amazing Potensic ATOM drone.